My project was an analysis project, so I was working at Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine for 6 weeks over summer, and they'd done a gene array experiment and they wanted the analysis work done on that, so they handed it over to me. So they'd found 10 genes were upregulated and 5 genes upregulated, and they wanted to know the wider implications of that in regards to the cell. So I took that data, plugged it into an online database, went through various software packages, and then got a nice 3D system that you can manipulate and you can go through the nodes. So we found that whilst 10 genes are upregulated, they actually interact with 249 separate proteins, and there's over 360 individual interactions, and they all form one interaction web. So within 12 steps, you can get from any one of the 10 upregulated genes to another. The best part has been going around and seeing other people like me that are really, really interested in science. Like everyone here does at least one science A-level, so you can chat about that, and you can just go around and chat to various people. It doesn't matter if you know nothing about it. I went to an engineer's stand, don't do maths, but he put it across in a way that meant that I could understand his project to do with bridges, and it was fantastic to go speak to different people from all different areas of science and get us all in one place and just allow us to chat and network, really. There's been a lot of primary school kids, which has been interesting to try and explain a project that's really complex to really young minds, but because they're all so interesting, they all seem really keen scientists, there's ways you can get it across. I managed to get it into a Facebook analogy for them. So that was quite good. Obviously they're all on Facebook, so if I can explain it that way through friends and likes, then it makes the science of it a bit more accessible to them. The festival's been going a few years now, and it's growing and it's growing, and we're getting more young kids interested in science, and if we can get everyone interested in science a little bit more, then we can turn the industries a bit more to the product design, software design industries, and get manufacturing again, but not in a physical sense, but in a knowledge sense.